Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at Curateur's Fall Box. If you're not familiar with Curateur, it is a creation of Rachel Zoe. She is a stylist for the stars and she's been around for a little while. She's just totally glamorous. Used to have a show, I don't know if it was in the 90s or early 2000s, but just everything about her is glamour. I just think she is the bomb. I choose to not be a shopper that actually goes to stores, so I prefer my clothes coming to me. That is the number one reason why I have subscribed to the Curateur Box. It comes once a quarter and it is about $99 per box. However, the value inside of it goes as up as like $600. So today, as I open up the box, I will have an added value right here so you can see the final dollar amount on this fall curation. The reason it is called Curateur is because you are also helping to curate your box. You get to pick between a few items. I think for this box there was a choice between two of the bracelets. I got an earring too, so I don't know if I selected that as an additional, but I will make sure I put what the option was right here. Also, there was a hair product or an eyeliner. Every box, every quarter, you get to pick at least one item in your curation. Super fun because then you feel like you're part of it. Another reason I just adore the Curateur box is that the pieces are usually something that everybody can wear. Maybe limited to, say, on the jewelry, some people are silver only. I do wear both, I don't care, but I do have a preference for silver, white gold, or platinum because that's what I've been wearing for the past several decades. But gold is really in right now, and some of the pieces that I have received through the box are gold. It's like I just re-met the idea of wearing gold, and I really enjoy it depending on what I'm wearing, but most of the time it's a trendy thing. I don't usually follow trends, but having a set of items come to you that are kind of trending will take the guesswork out of what should I wear this season, and the value is absolutely there. So let's stop talking and start looking and see what we've got there. The hero piece for the curation this month was this beautiful, I think I would call it a poncho, and it is by parrishla. It's just lovely. This thread is here for a reason in all of the designs of parrishla because it's a way to thread through the generations. It's a way to pass on what she has experienced as a creator. I think her business was based on her family traditions with her mother. So I just think it's thoughtful and I love it. Maybe it's a little gimmicky, but I still think it's absolutely lovely to have that connection with home. As you can see, it looks like a poncho with a really square, boxy, perfectly designed so that it won't fall off. I love that. You can wear it just open like this. I would choose one of the colors from the colors on the poncho. Even though it is a heavy fabric for summer, but it's something for a light fall night. Here in Texas, we get a lot of heat. So I would say all the southern states, California, would probably use this piece very well throughout early to mid-fall. Also, I think it looks so pretty when you wear it wrapped to the side. I think it's super elegant. This side to me is not as interesting as the other side. I think the other side just kind of draped more beautifully, like so. How cute is that? And I think you could wear a big jewelry piece here too, just to kind of make it interesting. Beautiful bracelet. It's an HOME bracelet, and she created two designs. This one is more of the equestrian type, and I just love it. It's beautiful. To me, it was my favorite. The other one is a trendier one, like a men's watch. I did not choose that one. On the magazine that comes with the box, which has Christy Turlington on the cover. Ooh, check out the statement bangle. Interesting because I picked this bangle to go with my bracelet. It has a Hermes equestrian vibe, and I thought it would be beautiful with my equestrian bracelet. Here she styled the outfit wearing jeans with the wider legs that are quite in right now. Now, my box came with an additional jewelry piece, and I don't recall if I selected that or if it was just gonna come with the box itself. It is an Eddie Bargo piece of jewelry, and it's really gorgeous. However, this thing came wrapped up in this really tight plastic. It took me literally 5 minutes to get that out of the plastic. Look at how pretty that is. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to everything, including my diamonds. The Nuori Vital Repair Serum, which is ideal right now this time of the year after being out in the sun. It is Vital Repair Serum, rehydrating and soothing antioxidant complex. It does even out your skin tone and tries to reverse sun damage. Quite ideal, lightweight, intensely hydrating serum that calms and deeply rehydrates skin while targeting both emerging and existing visible signs of photo damage. Perfect for skin exposed to seasonal or lifestyle stressors. How perfect is that for right now after the summer to kind of get your skin back to normal and hopefully get all the photo aging reversed. I'm always worried about my brown sunspot. And the truth is, you always have to wear something for sunscreen most, but for sunspots almost as a preventative, because your skin is constantly renewing itself, and as it renews itself, the sun damage that you did years ago is still sitting there deep into your skin. So even though the new skin comes up, it's still carrying all the dark spots and sun damage that you had from childhood, really. At our age, we should always be working on those sunspots. All right, the next product is actually a product that I mentioned on my spring collection video. Just saying, maybe they heard me, but I absolutely adore candles, and they have brought the Naeem candle into the mix. Lovely candle. It smells so good. It has a little seal. I already broke it, but it smells delicious. It smells like roses. This gorgeous candle is a little bit on the pricier side. Here, I think it's $90 something, but isn't this gorgeous? Look at that vessel that's holding the candle. One way to use this vessel, you know, maybe you can put your makeup brushes in it or something, but one way to clean this is to run it through in the microwave, and all the leftover wax will melt away. Then you have a gorgeous clean container. Has this little protective layer right here which keeps the oils in. I'm gonna leave it there until I'm ready to burn it. And the cut glass itself is just gorgeous, pearlescent. It reminds me, I don't know which goes first, but the Velaspa candles has beautiful cut glass, and so does La Jolie Muse, and I have a video on the fall La Jolie Muse. The fragrance is just beautiful. It is, I think, pumpkin chai, and oh my gosh, my whole entire house smells like pumpkin. And because I purchased this, I feel like I need to give feedback to Curateur. This time of the year, there is nothing wrong with going with a themed candle. So I would have totally have gone with either an apple scent or a pumpkin scent. There are so many sophisticated candles with those scents. An amber of just the beautiful fall fragrances. Even a leafy one would be so beautiful this time of the year. And even though this is a gorgeous candle that I will absolutely enjoy, I think as you send your boxes and you coordinate what you have inside of it, there's nothing wrong with going a little thematic. Just like the bracelet that was equestrian, which is absolutely a thematic thing for fall, I think a candle with a fall fragrance would be much more welcomed, especially such a high-end candle such as this. Still, I adore it. Very feminine, very floral, roses, but it has a creaminess to it at the end. Not a sweet creaminess, but almost like custardy smell and a citrusy smell. Very faint in there. So beautiful candle, but I think this would have been more appropriate in the spring. But lovely candle just the same. Thank you. So the next and final item in the collection was, for me, the Fekkai Shea Butter Intense Oil. And the cool thing about this oil, it's created by Fekkai, which I think he does hair products. It is a beautiful oil for the hair, but they also made it for that you can use it on your body. The consistency is quite light. If you haven't seen my other videos on how I style my hair and what products I use, I do love coconut oil because it does have a fixing property to it, whereas I feel like I don't need hairspray or to set curls. If you use this product, and like today what I did is I used it on my hair dry, but it can be used on towel dry hair before you style it. But I just put it on my dry hair and it was gorgeous. It felt just wonderful. However, when I tried to use a curling iron on it, it just did not hold the curl. I should have thought of that and should have sprayed it, which I eventually did. I used this product right here to spray my curls and it protected it against the heat, and I think it did a great job holding the curl. Look at that. But it is a beautiful product. I love the scent of it. Let me see if I can open it. And they say use abundantly, and they were right. I was able to put a bunch of it and it did not feel oily at all. The shea butter must be not as heavy as coconut oil. It has a sweetness to it, almost like a creme brulee, but very faint. Nothing that I would be afraid of wearing and people could smell from far away. But it's a lovely scent. It might be just botanicals. I'll put a percentage of shea butter that's in it. Overall, a beautiful product. I'm really enjoying it. Maybe one day I'll try to wear my hair naturally curly. I think that would be fantastic because it does smooth out. As I was putting on, it felt like magic, and I should have filmed it to show you guys. But in the future, if I do a video on wearing my hair curly, I will definitely try this product so you guys can see how it acts. But it just made it look lustrous and silky and not heavy. So that was a big win for me. Really enjoyed it. Now, I'm doing this video in collaboration with my friend Deborah Berry. Deborah is a stylist of sorts. She just has excellent taste in clothing. Her videos are all about finding items that are classic and putting it together and making it look super glamorous. Her style is above mine. My lifestyle does not ask for that kind of commitment to clothing, but she is just so classy. I think she always says, keep it classy, keep it simple, keep it pretty, or something like that. And she is just adorable, a lovely lady with an amazing sense of style. I would say that goes more towards the traditional, and a lot of what she does reminds me of a Chanel look, and she loves wearing big flowers, and of course her body, she can wear whatever she wants. Just a lovely friend. Well, today she is also opening that Curateur Box, and hopefully she'll be styling it. I don't know what she's doing, but I am looking forward to go see what she put together. So if you have a chance, I will put links in the description for her channel so you guys can go visit her and see what she has to offer. So the value of this box is obviously amazing, as you saw here. And if you use my link down below, and I will try to put a 25% off on this box if you join the subscription. So I'll make sure I put a link and a code right there for you guys to take advantage of the offers. Bye.